In this video, we'll walk through how to migrate an existing on-premises Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops deployment from a traditional on-prem license server to the Citrix License Activation Service hosted in Citrix Cloud. This migration allows you to modernize licensing without re-architecting your environment while keeping your workloads on-prem. So let's get started. Before making any changes, we need to understand how licensing is currently configured. The License Activation Server in Citrix Cloud requires the on-prem license server to be running a compatible and up-to-date version. If your license server dashboard does not contain a License Activation Server tab, you'll need to upgrade the license server. This upgrade does not change how licenses are consumed yet. It simply prepares the environment for cloud registration. During the upgrade, existing license files and configurations are preserved, active Citrix sessions are not impacted, and the license server hostname remains the same. With the upgrade complete, we can log back into the License Administration console to confirm the version and verify that all licenses are still present. Next, we will register the on-prem license server with Citrix Cloud, allowing it to activate and renew licenses through the License Activation Service. This does not immediately change how workloads consume licenses, it simply establishes the control plane connection. Selecting Register generates an authentication code which you'll copy to the clipboard. Next, within the Citrix Cloud site, navigate to the licensing section. From here, choose the option to add or register an on-prem license server and paste in the registration code from the on-prem license server that you copied earlier. Once complete, we should see the server added to the Citrix Cloud console. Jumping back to the on-prem license server and refreshing the page, it should now show as registered. This is the point where Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops site officially begins using the License Activation Service for licensing. The good news is that this change does not require redeploying virtual desktops or changing the infrastructure. In Citrix Studio, simply open the licensing settings from the site. Citrix Studio detects that the on-prem license server has been registered with the cloud-hosted License Activation Service. Selecting Migrate to LAS updates the licensing model to reference the License Activation Service instead of local license files. Once applied, the site retrieves license entitlements from Citrix Cloud. The on-prem license server acts as a secure intermediary. Active sessions are not interrupted. With the change applied, we can validate in Citrix Cloud that the on-prem license server now shows an active status. To recap, we verified compatibility, upgraded the on-prem license server, registered it with Citrix Cloud, and migrated the Virtual Apps and Desktop site to the License Activation Service. Before wrapping up, remember that any on-prem NetScaler appliances must also be updated to point to the License Activation Service for licensing. This is a required step, so please watch the Migrating to LAS for Citrix NetScaler video.